Today we are going to discuss how to write a code in Visual Studio and execute it in Visual Studio. Firstly, we have to create an folder where we have to write the code. New folder. Now we have to open Visual Studio. We have to select the new folder which has been created in recent, that is Java folder. Select folder. Now we have to create a file in Java folder, that is string string example dot java with extension like java file. It is Java file, so that we have to give an extension like java file dot java. Now we have to write here. Now we have to write the code here. The name should be matched. Here, what is the class name? String example. I had saved the file with a string example dot java. This should be matched. Now I am declaring first string s1 equal to new string string hello. Now another string string s2 new string hal hello. In this video, we are comparing the string address, that is difference between equals and double equals to. In this example, double equals to locate the compares the address of S1 and S2. In this statement, it checks the string count and string what is the string. That means HALLO hello, HALLO hello. If this match, it gives true value. It if it does not match means it gives false. Now we have to say Control S, and now we have to go terminal, new terminal, and we have to execute the program Java space string example dot Java. Here we can see the memory address of S1 and S2 are not same, so that it given false, and S1 equals to S2, where the string count and string is same, so that it given true. It equalizes, it checks whether the string 1 and string 2 are the same or not, so that it given true. And the memory address, we have to save hello in S1 and hello in S2, so that they are not in the same address, so that it given false.